Okay, shall we start? Rudra, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Gauri, start the meeting.
Yes. Hari Om. Respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, we have gathered here to take part in a webinar related to World Space Week. World Space Week is dedicated to the celebration of scientific and technological advancements. The theme of World Space Week 2021 is Women in Space. Let's start today's session with an invocation. I invite Vaiga of 8th Standard for the prayer.
Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Punaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavati Namastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddharvavatu me sada Asadoma Satgamaya Tabasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityoma Amradam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Now, Speaker of the Day, Rudra Nair of 8th Standard is here to discuss in detail about the topic Women in Space. Rudra?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Rudra.
Okay. Now I'm going to share the screen. You please say that is the screen visible or not? Okay. Yes. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes.
So I request everyone to on your videos. Okay, let's start. Hari Om. A very warm welcome to everyone gathered here. Very nice to meet you all. I'm Rudra Maya from class 8C. So today I am here to discuss some about World Space Week and the theme of this World Space Week. So let's start. Okay. So in this, I'm trying to include 4 parts. First one, the Space Week. Second one, the contributions of our India for the space mission. And the third one, the theme of this World Space Week 2021, famous women astronauts in world and in our India. Okay, let's start. So let's start our session with a wonderful quote of Neil Armstrong. Shoot for the stars, but if you happen to miss, shoot for the moon instead. So through this quote, our Neil Armstrong is trying to say us, we are aiming to the moon, but it's only shooting on the stars. Then we will feel that yes, we did it, but the mission is incomplete. We are aiming to the moon, so we should achieve a shoot to the moon. So through this, he is saying that we should hard work, we should try to go and to get our goal. Okay, so let's move to the first part of this session, Space Week. Okay, are you all ready? If you are ready, please show me your thumbs up. Then only I will take. If you all are ready, please show me a thumbs up. Yes. Okay. So let's start. Okay. Yes. Space Week. World Space Week is an UN declared celebration of space since 1999 and is considered the largest space event on Earth. Okay. So, World Space Week. And our World Space Week is declared as the largest space event in our Earth. If someone is coming and asking you, what is Space Week? Then we should all answer them, right? So we should say that World Space Week is considered as the largest space event on Earth. And they are asking you from which year we are celebrating the Space Week. Then you will think, oh, from which year, past 3 or 5 years? No, it is celebrated since 1999. Okay, so now we are going to the history of this World Space Week. In 1967, an agreement was signed on October 4 to ensure the peaceful use of outer space. Every year, more than 1,000 of people from around the world participate in this event. So, our UN, United Nations, signed an agreement for what in 1967 to ensure the peaceful use of outer space. The UN signed an agreement. So every year, more than 1,000 of people from around the world participate in this event. I am saying that we all are a part of the Space Week. Excuse me, everyone, please mute. So I am saying that we all are a part of the Space Week. Am I correct? Do you think we all are a part of the Space Week? Please unmute and say your answers.
Respond, children, please.
It is an interactive session, right? So you all should answer me. If what is coming on your mind, you can answer me, right? Yes. So do you think we all are a participants of the Space Week?
Children, please answer.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Yes, yes. Okay.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
how we
Yes.
are participants? Yes. Okay. How we are participants of the Space Week? By we are participating in many competition related to this space. Our school, teachers, management, government are conducting many competition for us, right? Like speech, essays, drawing competition. By participating in these events, we all are a part of this Space Week. Okay. The importance of Space Week and why we celebrate this day. The World Space Week is the largest annual space event in the Earth. The week helps build up the workforce of tomorrow by inspiring students, demonstrate visible public support for the space program, educates the public about space activities, and fosters international cooperation in space outreach and education. So the main aim of this Space Week is to inspire, educate, and give an awareness to the public and also for the students about space activities. Okay, so about the space activities that our space missions are doing. Okay, and each year, a team is selected by the World Space Week Association Board of Directors in close coordination with the UN Office of Outer Space Affairs. Did you ever think that each event has each theme? I think this on Environment Day. Did you ever think that why they are giving such theme for each events? Did you ever think? If you think, please show me your thumbs up. You guys are not responding to me. Then how can I take this session? Please respond. Yes, okay. So you think about that. I also think this on this Environment Day. I think that why they are giving such themes on 2020. I'm just saying on 2020 they are giving plastic free, then giving plant trees. These all coming in one topic. Then why they are giving? So they are giving to the betterment of our lives. The theme provides broad guidance towards space. And now I am coming to the World Space Week, and these themes is provide broad guidance to World Space Week participants on the content of their programs. The theme is selected to increase the impact of World Space Week on all humanity further by using a uniform theme globally. So these themes, we all are participating. I already said that we all are participating in many competitions, right? Yes. So when we are participating in this essays, speech, drawing, our ideas are coming out, right? Our imaginations are coming out. When we are copying the next person, our imaginations are not coming out. We should do our own selves. Then our ideas will come out. So through our ideas, we are contributing our content or our idea to this our government, our space department, right? Is that right? Are you trying to do all your things yourself?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So yes. So we are all participating. So through this, our ideas are coming out. If our ideas are very interesting and that is beneficial to our country, what will happen? Our ideas will be taken in our space industry, and we will very proud, right? Our parents, our family, our town will be very famous, right? And we will be proud to that nation, right? Yes. So the theme is increase the impact of World Space Week on all humanity further by using a uniform theme globally. So in the Space Week, a uniform theme is selected for this world. Okay. So we completed our first part of this session. I think you all are bored, right?
नंबर स्टूडेंट लिखना है नंबर स्टूडेंट सब कुछ लिखना सिर्फ मार्क ही लिखा है मार्क में फ्रीक्वेंसी लिखा है
All of you please mute, please. Yes. So I think you all are a little bit bored. I think you all understand the first part of the session. Did you understand the importance of this World Space Week and why we celebrate this? If you understand, please show me your thumbs up. Fast. Only some are responding me. What happened to others? Please show me your thumbs up. If you understand, you should set true. Okay, if you understand, show me your thumbs up. Okay, I think only some understand about this. That is why some are raising their hands up and showing thumbs. Okay. Yes, now I got many thumbs up. Okay. Now I am going to refresh you all. Can we do exercise? Or do you all like exercise?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So now we are going to do the exercise related with our space. Now I am going to do one exercise. At last of this exercise, I will give everyone a chance to predict the name of this exercise. Okay. So shall we move to the exercise?
Yes.
Are you all ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So all of you please listen to me. Okay. So hands up. All of you do hands up. Yes. Stretch your fingers inwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I hope you all understand the name of this activity or exercise. So it's time for you to say the name of this activity. So your time starts now. You can name your own idea for this, your own name for this exercise?
Children, please
No,
respond.
Finger exercising.
Yes, it's finger exercising, but it is related to the space. So we should give a name related to the space, right?
Twinkling
Yes, very
stars.
good. Yes, very good.
Stars.
Yes, very good. You are very brilliant. You all got the name very easily, right? Yes. Now I think it's time to move to the second part of the session, the contributions of India to the space mission. Okay. Are you all ready? Can we move to the second part?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let's move. The India's economic progress has made its space program more visible and active as the country aims for greater self-reliance in space technology. So our India is economic, right? So our India is aiming for greater self-reliance in space technology. So through this, I already said that we are participating in many competitions. Our ideas are coming out. Through this, our India, if there is good ideas, through that our country, our India can be greater self-reliance in space technology. Okay. So now I am going to say a proud moment to our India. Okay, let's see what is that. Okay, in 2008, India launched as many as 11 satellites, including 9 foreigners, and went on to become the first nation to launch 10 satellites in one rocket. Okay, so past 13 years, our India had become the first nation to launch 10 satellites in one rocket. It is a proud moment for our Indians, right? Is that right or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, do you know this names? ISRO and Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. I think you all know this. Do you all know? Yes.
Yes,
So, what is
Yes.
the full form of this ISRO?
Indian Space Research Organization.
Research
Organization.
Yes, okay. The Indian Space Research Organization, or it's the National Space Agency of India, headquarters in Bengaluru. It operates under the Department of Space, which is directly owned by the Prime Minister of India, while Chairman of ISRO act as executive of DOS as well. And the subsidiary of this ISRO is Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. Okay, and this ISRO is founded on 15th August 1969. Okay, next we are moving to the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. The Vikram Sarabhai Space Center is a major space research center of the Indian Space Research Organization, focusing on the rocket and space vehicles of India's satellite program. It is located in Thiruvananthapuram in the Indian state of Kerala. So someone is coming and asking you, where is this Vikram Sarabhai Space Center located? So you should all answer what? There.
Trivandrum.
Yes. Okay. And this Vikram Sarabhai Space Center is founded in 21st November 1963. Okay. So I think it's the end of our part second. Yes, we completed the second part of the session very fastly than first, right?
Yes.
So I totally have 3 exercises in my hands. I already said that one to you. So can we do the second exercise now?
Yes.
Are you all ready for that?
Okay. We are ready.
Yes.
Okay. So first in this exercise, I am going to say the name of this exercise. Or do you want to say the name of the exercise?
Oh, we can say. We will
Okay.
say.
Okay. Then then I am giving chance for you to name this exercise. So can we do?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Again, hands up. Again, hands up. Right to left, left to right. Okay. Your right hand to the left side, left hand to the right side. Okay. Let's do. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I think you got an idea about this exercise. Did you got it? So can we do this one more time? Can we do this exercise one more time? Okay. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's time to name this exercise. Now it's time the name ceremony of this exercise. So it's
Rockets.
Vehicle launching the space.
Launch vehicle.
Yes.
Rocket.
Yes.
Rocket launch
It's
vehicle.
the launching of rockets, right? So we launched
Yes.
20 rockets to the space. It is a very hard thing, right? It may take 1 or 3 years to launch one rocket to the space, right? We launched 20 rockets in 1 minute. We are very brilliant, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So the fun part is, the second fun part is over. Now it's time for some serious. The theme for this World Space Week 2021. So can we move to the third part of the session?
Yes.
Are you all ready? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So let's move to the third part, the theme of this World Space Week 2021. Okay. The theme for World Space Week 2021 has been chosen to be Women in Space. I already said you, and you all know, I think you all know the theme for this World Space. What is the theme for this World Space Week 2021?
Woman in space.
Woman in space.
Women in Space. The World Space Week is dedicated to the celebration of scientific and technological advancements that have been instrumental to the betterment of our lives. I already said that the theme, the importance of each theme for each event. So in this Space Week, it have been instrumental to the betterment of our lives. Okay. So with this theme, the Woman in Space, with this theme, we will bring more awareness to the issue of gender diversity in the space sector and identify the obstacles women are facing when entering space-related careers and contribute the discussions on how we can overcome these challenges. All of you, please mute. Okay. So I think we all see news and read newspaper every day. Will you see the news every day?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So every day, at least one gender diversity issue is we are hearing or reading in the newspaper or news. Am I correct? I am seeing. Are you all seeing that? Every day, at least 1 or 2 gender diversity issues are occurring in our Kerala, India, or in world, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. To give an awareness about this gender diversity issues, mainly this is related to the space, right? So they are giving importance to the space sectors when women are entering into the space related careers, and the contribution of decision and how we can overcome these challenges. When one woman or one girl is going to a space related careers, if someone is saying that no, why you are going to those places, you have many jobs at home, why can't you do that? Is that correct? Is that good or bad? We should we should
That's
say
very
like
bad.
that. No. Yes,
No.
that is very bad, right? We should inspire them. Otherwise, when we when we are not saying that, we may say that what will happen if something happens from your hands when a rocket is launching, something mistake happen from your, it is very bad, right? Can we say that to that person? No, right? Is that right or wrong? Right. Is that right?
No. Wrong.
Wrong, right? So we should encourage them. So when we are encouraging them, they will get the confidence. Otherwise, they will be very feared. Oh, if something happened, then they will think, oh, something will happen to them. For that, it is a very bad to me. Oh, I am not going to join there. But we are encouraging them. They will be there, and they will be proud to our nation. So if we are not encouraging them, we will miss a woman astronauts, a famous one, to our India or our nation. So we should not say that to this woman, or not to woman, for everyone. We should not discourage them. We should encourage them. Will you all do that?
Yes.
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 Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. According to the reports, 20 to 22% of the entire space industry workforce consists of women. So, when we are coming to the space reports of 20 to 22% of the entire space industry. So, when we are looking as astronauts, office workers, when we are looking 20 to 22% of the entire space industry workforce consists of this. Not only for this space, in every job, when we are looking at every job, there is a good percentage of women working, right? When we are taking our teachers itself, there is a very good percentage of teachers in the education department, right?
Yes.
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 We are mindful of women from different backgrounds and from different religions facing different issues, and we are aiming to shed light on this difference. So we should aim and we should shed a light on this difference. Will you all do that? Will you all shed a light on this difference?
Rudra, excuse me, Rudra.
Yes, teacher.
Remaining meeting time is only 1 minute, so we can end this and start next. Okay, all of you want to rejoin, children, all of you. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, teacher. Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Remy teacher, please start the recording.
So let's continue. Yes. So will you all be the shed to light on this difference? Okay. Hello.
Yes, Rudra, continue.
Will you all be a shed to light on this difference? Please respond. You guys are not responding to me.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So we completed the third part of this session. So it's the last exercise in my hands. So can we do the last exercise?
Yes.
So we
Okay.
were
Yes.
yes. Okay. Okay. So we were looking in this desktop or this mobile more than 40 minutes. That is very bad to our eyes, right? It may affect our eyes. So now we are going to do one eye exercise. Yes, eye exercise. We are going to do an eye exercise. So the name of this exercise is Earth rotating the sun. Okay. So our eyeballs are the Earth and our eyes are the orbit of our Earth. So through this orbit, we are rounding our eyeballs as Earth. So can we do this exercise? Are you all ready? Please show me your thumbs up. If you all are ready, show me your thumbs up. Yes. Okay. So can we move? Yes. So round your eyeballs. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, go. Yes, enough. Okay. So that was a very interesting exercise, no? It is very healthy to our eyes. Okay. So this is the most important session of this part. Famous women astronauts in world and in India. So you should be very, very concentrated in this session. There will be a quiz at last of the session. Okay, I forget to say that to you. So there will be a very interesting quiz competition at last of this session. Okay, so you should be very, very concentrated in this session. So in this part, okay. So can we move to the fourth part, the famous women astronauts in world and in India? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So can you identify these women astronauts?
No.
Try. You may get their names.
No.
No, you didn't understand their names. Did you ever see these pictures anywhere?
No. I only saw
Okay.
Kalpana Chawla.
Oh, okay. So can I say their names?
Yes.
Yes.
So the first picture, that is Sunita Williams. Who is she? Yes, she is Sunita Williams. And the second one is Christiana Koch. What's her name? Christiana Koch. And the third one is Sally Ride. So the third one is Sally Ride. And the last one, the fourth one is Susan Helms. What's her name? Susan Helms. Okay. So I think you all know these three persons. Again comes the Sunita Williams.
Kalpana Chawla.
Second one is, yes, and the third one is the missile woman of India. I hope you all
I know her.
I think that we all saw her and heard her waves on one day. Which day do you remember her? We heard her words and we saw her on one day. Do you remember that day? That is a very, very important day. Do you remember that? Yes or no? Do you remember that day? No. That is very, very important to our Indians. You didn't remember that day? Yes, I will say. So we saw this woman, the missile woman of India, and heard her words on our Independence Day. Now you remember? Yes. Now you remember that event?
Yes.
So we saw many freedom fighters and we also saw her. Do you remember? Yes. So what is her name?
Jessie Thomas.
Yes, she is Tessie Thomas. So now I am going to share you a video. Okay. So you should be very interested. You will be very interested for seeing this video, and you all should be very, very concentrated while seeing this video. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let's move. So can you see this?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Can you hear this video?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So see this video very carefully. Okay. There is a lot of knowledge in this video. Okay. Are you all ready for seeing this video? Please
Yes.
show me.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, okay, let's continue. So I hope you all saw this video. Was the video interesting?
Yes.
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 So it's time for quiz. Yes. So are you all ready for a wonderful quiz session?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So now I will share you a link in your Zoom chat box. Okay. So I will share you a link right now. Okay. Did you all got the link?
Yes.
Okay. So start joining. Okay. So can we start our quiz? Are you all ready? Okay, I'm starting the quiz. Okay, let's see the winners. Yes, first is Gauri S, second one Arjune, and third is Kevin. So the gift of this players, the winners will be given to our principal ma'am. Okay. When you come to school, you can collect that from her. Okay. So congrats to everyone participated, and especially congratulations to all the winners.
Thank you.
Okay, let's continue. So I hope you all understand about the Space Week and the importance of Space Week, and I hope I can give information to you all about the famous astronauts, about the Space Week. Okay, I hope you all understand.
Yes.
And I thank everyone who have been here and hearing me patiently, and I thank all the teachers and who gave me the opportunity for sharing my ideas to the students. So I thank you all once again. Thank you.